Hello, this video is a solution to assignment 1 from the Introduction to Game Development. And there were 3 or 4 assignments actually. The first was to randomize the gap between the pipes, vertical space. So the gap is not always 90 pixels, but it differs. So what I did here was to declare a variable, global variable, gap height, and then this variable is set up to be randomized number between 90 and 200 after each iteration of the spawn. So in each spawn of the pipe pairs, the interval will be different. The second assignment here was to randomize the interval also between the pair of pipes which spawn. So that applied to x-axis, and I created this new variable self.spawnInterval, which is also randomized, and I used it here. So before it was 2 seconds in this place, and now it's a new variable that differs in each iteration. The third thing to do was to create the awards, so the medals, and then give these medals or display the medals to people in the score screen, so in the score state of the game, and depends on their performance. The medals would be from bronze to gold. So yeah, I also added these images here, and I will display them. I will show you later. And the last thing was to implement a pause feature. So when the player press P or some other button, in my case was P, then the game paused, and the game paused in the exact same moment that was before. So the pipes are in the same position, the bird is in the same position. Only difference is that you can't move the bird, and the scrolling stops and the music stops. And once you resume the game, everything starts from the same point as it was. So you can continue playing, and also music starts. So let me show you how it looks like in practice. Yeah, we have a game. Let's start. A counter. Yeah, so you see in the left corner, press P to pause, new feature. Oh, I lost already. And you can see that I added a sad face and label seriously. Let's start again. Okay, then if I press P, you can see that there's a pause feature, so the video is paused. The pause icon is in the middle of the screen, and music stopped. And once you play, you press the P button again, you can continue playing. As you see, the pipes are so randomized that sometimes it's quite difficult to play, but it's on purpose. I wanted it to be difficult. Yeah, as you can see, also the intervals between pipes are not always the same. So sometimes the pipes are very close to each other, sometimes they are further away from each other. And also the gap size differs. I also added this little feature, so once you come to some kind of threshold, then you can see the description next level, and it seems like you are entering different new level. Okay, and when you die, you got the golden trophy basically. which I also implemented here. I will skip the silver trophy. You need to trust me that it's implemented. And that's it.